Join storm chasers as they track and document severe thunderstorms, and learn about the techniques and technologies used to predict and follow these storms, including radar systems and weather models. Storm chasers use Doppler radar to track severe thunderstorms and tornadoes across the U.S. The Storm Prediction Center issues outlooks to predict areas with the highest tornado risk. Chasers rely on weather models, like the NAM and GFS, to forecast storm development and movement. Mobile radar systems, like the DORA, help chasers pinpoint storm location and intensity. Storm chasers often use social media and apps to share and receive real-time storm reports. The best chasers combine radar data, model forecasts, and on-the-ground reports to maximize their intercept chances. Discover Tsingy de Bemaraha, a unique limestone karst landscape in Madagascar that's often referred to as a stone forest, and learn about its unique geological features and wildlife. Tsingy de Bemaraha, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, covers over 600 square kilometers in western Madagascar. The stone forest gets its name from the local Sakalava word, Tsingy, meaning where one cannot walk. This unique landscape was formed over 200 million years ago through erosion of limestone rocks. The Tsingy features a network of sharp peaks, canyons, and forests, supporting diverse wildlife and ecosystems. Home to lemurs, fossa, and a variety of bird species, Tsingy de Bemaraha is a biodiversity hotspot. Meet the top 3 players with the most red cards in La Liga history, featuring infamous players like Sergio Ramos and Pepe. La Liga has a reputation for being one of the most intense and physical leagues in the world. Sergio Ramos leads the pack with 19 red cards, making him the most sent-off player in La Liga history. Pepe follows closely with 11 red cards, showcasing his infamous aggressive style on the pitch. The third player on the list is Fernando Morientes, with 7 red cards, surprisingly a striker with a tough side. These players' disciplinary records have sparked debates about their on-field behavior and sportsmanship. Their red card records have become an integral part of their legacies in La Liga history. Exploring the fascinating story of a 1,920 seconds biplane found in the Amazon rainforest, shedding light on early aviation history. A 1,920 seconds biplane wreckage was discovered in the Amazon rainforest, sparking excitement among historians. The plane, a Fairchild FC-150, was on a 1,929 mail route expedition when it crashed. The aircraft was piloted by U.S. aviator Floyd W. Redd, who was on a mission to chart new routes. The wreckage was found remarkably intact, with the engine and propellers still in place. The discovery sheds light on early aviation history, revealing challenges faced by pioneering pilots. The find is hailed as one of the most significant aviation discoveries in recent history. Witness the astonishing sight of Peru's Vilcanota River, which transforms into a vibrant red hue due to the presence of minerals and sediments. Peru's Vilcanota River is turning a vibrant red due to high concentrations of minerals and sediments. The river's red color comes from iron oxide and red ochre, carried by runoff from nearby mines. Mining activities in the area have increased significantly, causing concerns about environmental impacts. The Vilcanota River is a vital source of water for local communities and supports aquatic life. The Peruvian government has implemented regulations to reduce mining pollution, but enforcement remains a challenge. The Vilcanota River's unique red color has become a tourist attraction, raising awareness about conservation efforts. Google Plus was launched in 2011 as a social media platform to rival Facebook, but it was shut down in 2019 due to low user engagement and criticism over its confusing interface. Google Plus was launched in 2011 to rival Facebook and become a major social media platform. Despite its ambitious goals, Google Plus struggled with a confusing interface and poor user experience. The platform's user growth was slow, with many users failing to engage with its features. Google Plus was criticized for its complex circles feature, which was meant to simplify online relationships. After years of struggling, Google announced in 2018 that it would shut down Google Plus in 2019. Google Plus was officially shut down in April 2019, marking the end of its 8-year experiment. A study estimates that microplastic pollution costs the global economy around $13 billion annually, affecting industries like fishing, tourism, and recreation. Microplastic pollution costs the global economy approximately $13 billion annually. The fishing industry loses around $3.2 billion each year due to microplastic pollution. Microplastics in oceans damage marine life, affecting the tourism and recreation industries. The average person consumes around 5 grams of microplastics per week, impacting human health. Microplastic pollution is projected to increase by 30% by 2030 without action. Reducing microplastic pollution requires implementing policies and promoting sustainable practices worldwide. In this special edition of Survival Simulator, we'll put our skills to the test as we try to survive for 10 years in a simulated hibernation scenario, inspired by the incredible abilities of real-life hibernators. Hibernation is a survival strategy used by some animals to conserve energy during food scarcity. Bears, bats, and chipmunks are classic examples of hibernators, slowing down their metabolism to survive winters. During hibernation, an animal's heart rate can drop dramatically, from 200 to just 10 beats per minute. Hibernators often experience periodic awakenings, or interbout arousals, to stretch and rehydrate during long hibernation periods. Some hibernators can lose up to 40% of their body weight during a single hibernation season, which is regained in spring. Meet Alan Turing, who designed the automatic computing engine, ACE, one of the first practical analog computers, in the 1940 seconds. Alan Turing, a British mathematician, designed the automatic computing engine, ACE, in the 1940 seconds. Turing's ACE was one of the first practical analog computers, revolutionizing calculation and simulation. The ACE used a unique approach called word-based architecture, processing information in 32-bit chunks. Turing's design was influenced by his work on code-breaking during World War II. The ACE was built at the National Physical Laboratory, where Turing worked from 1945 to 1950. Turing's pioneering work on ACE paved the way for modern computers and artificial intelligence. Discover how fruit flies, Drosophila melanogaster, are used in genetics research, including their role in understanding human diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Fruit flies have been used in genetics research for over a century, starting with Thomas Hunt Morgan's work. Drosophila melanogaster, the common fruit fly, has a remarkably short lifespan of just 10 to 30 days in labs. Fruit flies have 4,000 known genes, many similar to human genes, making them ideal for disease research. Scientists have used fruit flies to model human diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, studying their progression. Thomas Hunt Morgan's fruit fly research led to the discovery of sex-linked traits and genetic inheritance patterns.